Are you looking for the top 5 best studio monitors under $500? Everyone thinks the best-selling studio monitors are automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Ohio 60-watt computer speakers. First up, we have the Ohio 60-watt computer speakers, priced at just $69.99. What caught my eye is the stylish design and that hefty 60 watts of power. If you want powerful sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These speakers deliver distortion-free sound with a 30-watt per speaker output, perfect for both gaming and music streaming. The 0.75-inch carbon fiber silk dome tweeter and 3-inch full-range driver provide crystal clear highs, while the rear bass port gives you that satisfying low-end depth. With Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, you can easily connect your phone or laptop without cables getting in the way. Plus, the wooden enclosure helps reduce box resonance, giving you a more accurate sound. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for desktop setups. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, the sound quality you're getting is pretty unbeatable for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that enhances your audio experience. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact or primarily need for product number 2, PreSonus Iris 3.5. Next up is the PreSonus Iris 3.5, priced at $114.99. The compact size caught my attention, but it's the studio quality sound that really stands out. If you want accurate audio for music production or hi-fi listening, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Iris 3.5 monitors deliver a frequency response of 20 kHz, ensuring you hear every detail in your mix. They come with 50 watts of Class AB dual amplification, providing the volume you need without sacrificing clarity. Plus, the natural high-frequency response from the silk dome tweeters ensures great stereo imaging. You can also tailor the sound with high and low frequency tuning controls, making it perfect for any room setup. Now, some users have mentioned the bass being a bit locking for larger spaces, but honestly, if you're in a smaller room, this won't be a deal breaker, as it excels in audio clarity and detail. This is perfect for you if you're a budding music producer or just want clear sound in a compact package. Skip this one if you need heavy bass for large rooms or parties. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who... Product number 3, Edifier MR3. Now, let's talk about the Edifier MR3, available for $149.99. What stood out to me is its high-res audio certification and rich connectivity options. If you want versatile speakers for both monitoring and casual listening, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With a frequency response from 52 Hz to 40 kHz, these speakers ensure you catch every nuance in your audio. The 42 watts of output power gives you a peak SPL of 92.5 dB, which is impressive for a pair of bookshelf speakers. The ability to switch between music, monitor, and custom modes means you can adjust the sound based on what you're listening to, whether it's music production or just streaming your favorite playlist. Now, some reviews pointed out that the app for sound customization could be a bit buggy. Here's the thing though, most users find the preset modes work perfectly, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want a speaker that can handle both studio work and casual listening. Skip this one if you're only focused on studio monitoring and don't need extra features. Now, if you're after something a bit more budget-friendly but still powerful, check the...
Product number 4, Mackie CR3.5. Next is the Mackie CR3.5, priced at $99.99. What really impressed me is its combination of studio-quality sound and user-friendly features. If you're looking for great performance without a lot of fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. These speakers pack 50 watts of power, enabling clear sound with plenty of low end thanks to the 3.5-inch woven woofer. The unique tone knob lets you shape the audio to your liking, whether you're gaming, mixing, or just enjoying music. Plus, with multiple connectivity options, you can easily hook them up to your computer or gaming console. However, some users mention that the sound can be a bit underwhelming when compared to higher-priced models. But I'll be real with you. For the price, they deliver solid performance that many users love. This is perfect for you if you need flexible speakers for different audio needs. Skip this one if you're a professional looking for the absolute best audio fidelity. Alright, that was a solid option, but the last one... Product number 5, M-Audio BX3. Finally, we have the M-Audio BX3, coming in at $89.99. I liked the promise of studio-grade sound at such a low price. If you're on a tight budget, but still want good audio quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. With a maximum output power of 120 watts, these speakers provide a significant boost in your audio experience. The 3.5-inch Kevlar woofers ensure a punchy bass response, while the natural silk dome tweeters deliver clear highs. Plus, their acoustically inert MDF cabinet minimizes unwanted vibrations, giving you a richer sound quality. Now, some users have reported that they can get a bit hot after long use. Here's the thing though, for casual listening and light studio work, that's something you can generally manage without it being a major issue. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable option that still provides professional sound quality. Skip this one if you're using them for intensive studio monitoring where heat could affect performance. If you want to...
So to quickly recap, the Ohio offers powerful sound at a budget price. The PreSonus delivers accuracy and clarity. The Edifier brings versatility. The Mackie provides user-friendly adjustments, and the M-Audio is your affordable entry point. Each has its strengths depending on what you need, so pick the one that fits your setup best.